Nowhere to go, you know, there was nowhere to go. So we got into one, and I had to check him, and then he ran over them, and then kept turning. Canada didn't do anything wrong. We just we're trying to win a race, and just momentum. Got to be pushing harder than I needed to be pushed right there, and we got dragged it. And I'm lucky to say we have the flags out there. And back 50 seconds somehow. That was quite safe.
What's going to say, Moody's voice raised 6 athletes on that one. Jeff Burke in second place run. Here we go. Let's go back to Alex.
Ryan Newman, 5th place run after bouncing around off of a couple of people on pit road. Let's start with the finish of this race. What did you see happen there coming to the checkers, and just how wild it was?
I saw them pull walk sideways, and they ran for it. Then it was a stick crash. Kind of started down there in 1-2 with a 31 car. I think he got it 16 at the time.
Somewhere, do you see fireworks?
Chevrolet team, everybody, Stewart, obviously, congratulations to Tony and the 14 team. And, to get a top 5 after where we were running going into turn 3, it's pretty bad.